different fascial planes that kind of run along the back. Always want to work on the high side of the curve. Everything's on the top of that curve over here. Go ahead and straighten out that bottom leg. We're going to scoot up towards the edge of the stomach. Perfect. Yeah, your lower neck feels really good, just a little bit right here. I can tell you've been doing your stretches. Beautiful. Okay. One last thing, let's check the ankles. Big toe up. Don't let me pull, keep it strong. Oh no. This side, big toe up, don't let me pull. Yeah, perfect. So always this side, go ahead and just relax that. Oh, one more. And big toe up. Same thing, resist. Beautiful.